The Indian judiciary plays a crucial role in interpreting laws to address contemporary needs while honoring historical judgments. This balance is vital for upholding constitutional integrity. Judges face the challenge of selecting pertinent past wisdom to tackle current economic issues without undermining previous judicial decisions. This careful approach strengthens the legal framework for future generations. Material resources fall into two categories: state-owned and privately owned, with the state holding resources in public trust. Understanding this distinction is essential for effective resource management. Moreover, distinguishing between personal effects and community resources is crucial for resource allocation. Under legal definitions, personal belongings do not qualify as community resources. Legal mechanisms are vital in redistributing material resources for community benefit. The law can facilitate the transition of private resources into state ownership. To transform private resources into community assets, the state employs 5 primary methods, including nationalization, acquisition, and donations. Nationalization involves converting private resources into community assets through a systematic approach, ensuring fairness and legal compliance in the distribution process. The ultimate goal is the common good. During nationalization, compensation for former owners is crucial, as it ensures they receive fair value for their lost rights and resources. This practice maintains trust in the nationalization process. The Constitution's perspective on nationalization, particularly in cases like the cooking coal mines, highlights the balance between state control and individual rights. Judicial interpretations play a significant role in this delicate process. Justice Krishna's separate opinion in the case has been noted for its potential impact on future rulings, emphasizing the importance of individual perspectives in judicial processes. The intricate interplay between judgments in different cases illustrates the complexity of legal interpretations, revealing how overlapping issues can influence judicial outcomes. The court's review of the Bombay High Court's judgment reflects a broader consideration of legislative intent and the validity of legal arguments in similar contexts. This case explored the implications of Justice Krishna's views, focusing primarily on distribution while overlooking other essential aspects of property rights. This selective interpretation significantly influenced the overall judgment. Justice Ramaiah distanced himself from earlier judgments, signaling a shift in legal reasoning within the bench regarding property as community resources. This shift reflects evolving judicial perspectives on property rights. The judgment affirmed that nationalization and land reservation align with Article 39b, thereby underscoring constitutional support for public amenities. This established a precedent for future legal interpretations related to land. Furthermore, the importance of integrating socialist philosophy into judicial decisions is underscored, especially during significant political changes, as this context influences legal interpretations and outcomes. Earlier judgments supporting nationalization acts reinforce their relevance in contemporary legal frameworks. This consistency reflects a steady judicial approach to similar legal principles. Finally, the classification of private resources as community material resources indicates a nuanced understanding of ownership and resource allocation, as legal definitions evolve based on societal needs.